Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can remove your spending limit in the Revolut app. So let's get started. Now, first off, to remove your spending limit, you would need to tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner right here. Then once you're on your profile menu, just go ahead and scroll down until you can see the security option, this one right here. So just go ahead and select security, and on the security tab, you would need to tap on card security. So right here, you would need to select the card that you're currently using. So for me, that's the virtual card. And then here you have the spending limit. So to adjust or turn off the spending limit, let's go ahead and enter the spending limit menu, as you can see right here. So as you can see right here, my spending limit is 100 euros per month. Now to turn off the spending limit, you can just take this off and then tap on remove. And now my spending limit has been turned off. So guys, that's how you can turn off a spending limit on the Revolut app. So now you can spend what. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.